Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the background of the map on the Windy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the settings icon in the right side of the screen. That's the third option. Tap on settings at the top. Now you should scroll down till you find the change background section and tap on one of these options here. So if you click on the relevant one, this will be saved. As you can see, your settings are saved to the cloud if you are logged into your Google account. So if you go back, you're going to see that this function of the application has been updated, so feel free to update it anytime you feel like to do so. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.